Abaco Container Bundle Slab Load Unloader Pro ACBSL5T Pro is combined with a forklift truck and automatic lifter to easily load and unload deep inside goods from a container. The serrated rail on top of the boom allows for easy strap hook position adjustment to accommodate different bundle sizes, while protecting the hydraulic hoses inside. The reach can be extended up to 5,975 mm by telescopic action. Two pusher legs with wheels and a hydraulic system help to move bundles in and out smoothly and more conveniently. The two tubes withstand the weight of the bundle slabs and play a role as a pair of blocking bars to protect the bundle slabs from wobbling when unloading. Two pulling hooks have a rubber layer to protect the slab surface, assisting in pulling it to a safe position without going deep inside to attach the strap. When handling slabs in a safe position, the tubes keep the bundle slab stable, ensuring safety for the operator when attaching straps and pulling the bundle slab out of the container.